An ad account is not only a place to run ad, it's your business control center. So today in this video, I will show you the main function of your ad account and I will show you how you can create an ad account step by step. If you are a beginner, don't worry about this. So without further ado, let's start. Number 1. Campaign creation. From your ad account, you can create campaign according to your need. Let's suppose you sell shoes in online. Now, if you want sales, then you can run sales campaign. If you need visitors in your website, then you can run traffic campaign. If you want to make your brand familiar, you can run brand awareness campaign or engagement campaign. This helps to make your business as a brand. So we can say you can run campaign according to your need and desire. Number 2, audience targeting. Audience targeting means finding the right people or right audience for your business. Let's suppose you have a restaurant in Rajshahi. Then what you can do? As you have a specific area, then you can target a specific location through your ads manager. For an example, you can select 20 or 30-mile radius from your location so that people around this location come to your restaurant and have some food. So easy. Another thing you can do, let's suppose your restaurant is only for the teenager, then you can select their age range around 18 to 30. And let's suppose your restaurant is for the middle income or middle aged people, then what will you do? You can also select them through your ads manager by selecting their age. Another thing you can do, you can also select the interest of your audience. You know much better which type of audience like your business. For an example, in case of restaurant, you can select food, foodie, a restaurant, this type of things. The people who have interest on this type of things, they will see your ad. Another powerful option is custom audience. You can select those person who already visited your website or who showed interest on your product. You can retarget them through your ads manager. Even if someone purchased from you, if you have any special product arrived on a special occasion, then what you can do? You can even retarget them and tell them that you have this feature or you have given this benefit to the people who previously purchased from you. It means you can target only the potential customer for your business. Number 3, budget control. From this section, you can control your budget. Let's suppose you want to spend $100 per day and you want to run this ad for 30 days. Facebook will charge only $3,000 for 30 days, not more or less than this amount. So the budget is in your control. No need to pay additional amount to Facebook. Ad format control. Ad format control means the presentation of your ad creative. You can run carousel ad, you can run static image ad, you can run video ad, even you can run catalog ad or collection ad. You have to select what type of presentation you want to show to your audience. Number 5, performance tracking. By watching the data, you can take decisions. It helps you to grow your business. Let's suppose you run a campaign for $2,000 and you sold 400 product. You can easily calculate the ROAS. Like when you spend $1, you are getting $5. Through this thing, you can evaluate whether your campaign is profitable or you are in a loss. Number 6, pixel and conversion tracking. Through pixel and conversion tracking, you can see what is happening on your website. What are they doing on your website? How long they stay? Which product they showed interest? Who did add to cart? Who did purchase? Who did add to cart but not purchase? You can retarget them again. Let's suppose 400 people do add to cart on your website, but somehow only 100 people purchase. But there are also 300 people who have showed interest on your product. That's why they go to the add to cart page. Now you have the option, you can retarget these 300 people who did not purchase at that moment but did add to cart. When they see your ad again, they can remember that, oh, this is the product I did add to cart, but somehow I did not purchase at that moment. So then he will come again and complete purchase. Dynamic remarketing. Let me give an example so that you can understand it easily. Suppose you go to Dara's website and check some product, but somehow you did not purchase at that moment. You come back to your Facebook feed. Now what Facebook will do? Facebook will pull that product from Dara's website and show it on your feed. And all these things will happen automatically. When you see the product again on your Facebook feed, it will come to your mind that I have seen this product on Dara's and I did not purchase, so I should buy it. This is called dynamic remarketing. Team access and control. From this section, you can give access to your team member. Suppose you have 10 people on your team, you can give them specific access. For an example, the media buyer will run ad only, the designer will upload creative, and the accountant will monitor the billing section. No one can change your card password or card details. It will help you to keep your account more secure. To create an ad account, go to settings and click accounts and click add accounts. Once you are in, click add. Then click create a new ad account. Now fill these details like account name and time zone. Click next. Select my business here. Again click next. Then here we need to confirm an ad account to our business portfolio. So just click here and click create ad account. Here you can add your payment information and click done. So now we have successfully created our ad account.